Good afternoon students. Today we will study lecture 2 unit 3 organic chemistry aldehyde and ketone. We will study preparation of aliphatic aldehydes and ketones. Preparation of aliphatic aldehyde and ketone. So first we will study oxidation of primary alcohols by potassium dichromate in sulfuric acid or potassium permanganate in alkaline solution gives aldehyde. So oxidation of primary alcohols take place by potassium dichromate is formalized K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium, that is H2SO4, and means acidic medium sulfuric acid. Potassium permanganate KMnO4 in alkaline means with NaOH also we can do give aldehyde. So oxidation of primary alcohols give aldehyde. This is the fundamental reaction. Primary alcohol RCH2OH, nascent oxygen on the arrow K2Cr2O7 oblique H2SO4, that is potassium dichromate in acidic medium gives R C double bond of H, that is aldehyde plus H2O. This is the fundamental reaction. Or we can next example will see ethyl alcohol on oxidation gives acetaldehyde. CH3CH2OH, this is ethyl alcohol plus nascent oxygen on the arrow K2Cr2O7 oblique H2SO4, that is potassium dichromate in acidic medium we get CH3 C double bond OH, this is acetaldehyde plus H2O. So ethyl alcohol on oxidation gives acetaldehyde. This is the example of oxidation of primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the one of the primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on oxidation with potassium dichromate in sulfuric acid gives ketone. So secondary alcohol will give ketone. On C, two R's are there, so it is secondary alcohol HOH. So it is secondary alcohol on oxidation nascent oxygen K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate in acidic medium, that is H2SO4 sulfuric acid, we get RC double bond O R ketone. So we get ketone plus H2O. Example, isopropyl alcohol on oxidation gives acetone. So isopropyl, this is CH3CH3OH, this is isopropyl alcohol or secondary alcohol also we can say on oxidation. For oxidation we from K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 nascent oxygen is generated and we will get CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone is obtained. So example of secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol is the example of secondary alcohol on oxidation gives acetone. K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium gives rise to oxidation and we get acetone. Next, second method, catalytic dehydrogenation of alcohols. Catalytic means in the presence of catalyst that this reaction is taking place. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. When primary alcohols are passed over catalyst copper at higher temperature, it gives aldehyde. So when primary alcohol is passed over copper catalyst at higher temperature, it gives alcohol. We get ethyl alcohol on dehydrogenation gives acetaldehyde. Ethyl alcohol on dehydrogenation we get acetaldehyde. Secondary alcohol are treated with catalyst copper at higher temperature gives ketone. Example, isopropyl alcohol gives acetone. CH3OH on copper will give CH3 C double bond O CH3, this acetone plus H2O. So this secondary alcohol, when we are copper catalyst is taken at higher temperature, that is 300 degrees centigrade, we get acetone. So primary alcohol gives aldehyde and secondary alcohol gives ketone, that is acetone. Next, third method is by reduction of nitriles. This is also known as Stephen's reduction. In this method, alkyl nitriles are reduced by hydrogen chloride gas in ether solution and in presence of stannous chloride at room temperature. In this step, aldimine hydrochloride is obtained. When it is hydrolyzed by warm water, aldehydes are obtained. So RCN is nitriles or cyanide. RCN alkyl cyanide plus 2H plus HCl SnCl2 stannous chloride in acidic medium will get aldimine hydrochloride. Aldimine hydrochloride on hydrolysis we get aldehyde. So this is the example. This is the reaction for the reduction of nitriles to give aldehydes. By reduction of acid chloride, it is known as Rosenman reduction. When acid chlorides are reduced by hydrogen gas in presence of palladium catalyst over barium sulfate at 1 40 degrees centigrade, aldehydes are obtained. Acetyl chloride gives acetaldehyde. So in the first reaction, RCOCl, acetyl chloride plus hydrogen palladium catalyst in the presence of BaSO4 gives RC double bond OH, aldehyde plus HCl. Example, CH3COCl, acetyl chloride plus hydrogen PD palladium, BaSO4 barium sulfide gives CH3C double bond OH, acetaldehyde plus HCl. So by reduction of acid chloride also